Hey guys, Glen Murray online. How are you? Everything's working good here. It's raining here. We're getting ready for our vacation. We leave next Friday. One more week. My kids are so excited. It's just like, wow. All right, today, what I wish I knew when starting affiliate marketing beginner advice. So this is really key, guys. And this is I've been showing a ton of ways over the last couple of weeks of how to get leads, what are the best programs, but I'm gonna give you some advice on what I wish I knew when I started. So there's three main things that you need to focus on, guys. Finding the right niche, information overload, and too many gurus, like just promising the moon. So I'm going to break those down. But first off, if you like videos on making money online, then make sure you click subscribe, hit the notify, and just go through my channel. Watch, there's a ton of information there, guys. There's hundreds of videos now. Okay, what I wish I knew. First things first. I wish I knew how much it took to be successful, because, and I'm going to address the third key point first, and like too many gurus promising the moon. Like there's so many people there like, oh, it's so easy, just do this. And I talked about in the video yesterday, don't be doing what they say, do what they do. Like do what they do, right? I'm going to show you guys something here. I'll show my screen here. So here's a couple. These are just a couple of my landing pages. I have tons of landing pages, guys, but here's a couple that are working really well for me, and I get leads every single day to them. And this is the most important thing, guys. You need to be getting leads. You need leads in order to get sales. People need to opt into your list. And this is the first thing I wish I knew. I sent so much traffic to other people's products and stuff like that without collecting an email. I dumped email lists. I'd have an email list. Oh, this isn't doing anything. And I'd just let it go. The stupid stuff. And I wish I didn't do that. I was in a couple of MLMs where I had, thousands of people opt in. I didn't do that MLM anymore. All those leads are no longer mine, right? So you got to make sure you're always clicking leads. So I'm going to show you a couple of pages that I use. So there's one of them. This is my YouTube channel. Guys, go through it. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscribe list. Go through and just check out the videos. There's tons and tons of content in there. Everything I've learned from doing it right and wrong and all that kind of stuff. So definitely make sure you subscribe. Here's another one this is my blog, one of my blogs. I have a couple blogs. And this, of course, is all these things, guys. This is all about getting people to opt in onto my list. So I have a blog like this. I have another website here, Glen Murray Online. So this is work with Glen Murray. This is Glen Murray Online. Guys, this is just real estate that I own, right? People that come on here and click, boom, they join my thing. Here's another one, another landing page, right? Very similar to the one, where was the one? Very similar. Again, this one has multiple income streams, right? If you guys want this one, just message me. I'll put it in the link below. You can have this. It's a free funnel that you can use. I have another, this is another review site that I have, right? And again, it's all links. All of these make me money, guys. There's blogs on here, and all of these basically you click through and you just, I'm going to collect emails. Here's a paid traffic source I use. There's some other paid traffic sources I use. But guys, what I really wish I knew when I started was how much traffic it actually takes to convert to sales. Like, it's crazy the amount of people that you need to click on your stuff. You need to get them onto your list. You need to be emailing them daily. Don't worry about people unsubscribing. That's fine. Don't worry. Like, so many people get like crazy, like, oh, someone unsubscribed. That's good. You don't want them on your list. You want active people that want to read your emails. If they don't open an email for 60 days, get them off your list. Like, some people are like, oh, keep everybody on a list. No, get them off your list. Move on to keep that list active, because that list is going to cost you money, right? Depending, it may cost you a little bit of money, it may cost you a lot of money. If you're with some of the popular autoresponders like Aweber or GetResponse, or Send One, they will charge you per like 1,000, and then they're going to charge you for more, right? There's another one in the hybrid marketing system. There's a link to it. You can get 50,000 person email autoresponder, where you can keep all those emails, and I think it's costing like $25 a month or something like that for that. But it's all within a whole system where you can have a blog, you can have videos, autoresponder, landing pages, all that stuff. You can all have it in one. That's why I love the hybrid model. So that'll be I'll put that in the links below. So that's number 3. So understanding how much traffic it's going to take, and that you need to be, your goal is to be generating traffic every single day. Facebook, again, social media, right? Now, a lot of people don't like those spam groups. Don't just go drop your link in there. Create conversation, because when you do, what you want to do is you want to attract them to one of those pages that I showed you, right? Like, but the best way to attract them is by providing them content. Like, I'm going to go post this video in those spam groups, right? Hey, what I wish I knew when I started affiliate marketing. So people are like, oh, well, I want to know what he wish he knew. They click on the video, they go to my YouTube channel, then I have an opportunity to tell them to check out the links below. That's the trick, right? So the second thing that's crazy is information overload. Guys, there's so much info out there, and there's so many people, oh, you got to do this, got to do this, got to do this, got to do this. No, all you need to do is generate traffic. Create traffic to a link that you collect their emails. If you don't do anything else, collect email. Collect email, collect email, collect email. That's what it is. All those things that have all these tricks of doing this and this, and yeah, so some of the programs are great for collecting leads, and I have them. You know, pay for leads, absolutely. If there's a program that you can get leads using it, then by all means, do it. But whatever it is, collect those emails and make sure that you're getting them onto your list, not sitting with the program that you're part of, unless you can export that list. If you can export the list, great. But if you can't export the list, then you want to make sure that you're putting your autoresponder, your email collecting device in front of that, right? So information overload, don't like it. There's no, it's so hard to explain. There's no crazy puzzle. It's just doing the work. Drive traffic, collect emails, drive traffic. Well, how do I drive traffic? Well, go create traffic, create content that attracts people to have a look at what you're offering. That's all it is, right? You know, why do you see car dealerships with balloons in the air, right? It attracts attention. People look at it and go, oh, what's that balloon doing in the air? I'm gonna go see what it is, right? Boom, it's a camper sale, it's a some kind of sale. They put the balloons in the sky to attract you, right? That's what they're doing. You know, tasters in supermarkets, right? They have the stuff out there for you to try. Here's some content. Taste the content. Do you like the content? Well, there's more of it right there that you can buy, right? So think of it that way. Number 3, or the hardest one, is finding the right niche. Now, I personally, there's so many niches. I'm not a fan of crypto and Forex and all that trading platform crap. I think because there's so much scamming going on in that industry. I look at when I look at a program, I don't really do physical products. I do promote a couple physical products, but I do it on the down, kind of like as a passive side thing, because I use the products. But what I think is most important is digital information, education. Why is that so valuable? Because when someone purchases that digital information, they get it immediately. They can consume it immediately. If it's really good, they're going to want more. They're going to be able to apply that stuff. And that's why I love selling education programs, especially recurring subscription ones. And that's where I really recommend. But again, if that's not your niche, if that's not what you want to be doing, then find the niche that you want. Just realize that you're going to have to create content that is niche specific for that, right? So if you're going to be selling dog training stuff, then you need to create a lot of content around pet ownership, dog ownership, whatever it is, right? If you're going to be doing, your niche is going to be travel, then you're going to be creating a lot of content around travel. Is it harder to get someone to join you in those things as a business? Sometimes. Depends on your rapport with people, right? A side note, don't do fake rapport. address what you want. If someone, if say, let's say you're promoting travel and you say, hey, these are my three top ways to travel to Disneyland for a third the cost of what everyone else is paying. You do the post, and by the way, if you join this travel program, you can get even bigger discounts, right? Once a person joins that travel program, I would actually have a video that I would send them like, hey, I'm glad you've joined the travel program. Now, this is totally optional. Have you ever thought of doing this as a side business to make some money on your own? And then you would basically say, you can just stay with the program. It's a great program and use it, right, for the thing. Or you can become a reseller like me and actually make money to travel with, right? And that's what I would do in that case. Same with the dog thing, right? If you want to get people that are going to maybe promote your dog thing, whatever you're doing, then you would do the same thing. Have a video like, hey, I know you're a pet owner. How would you like to make a little bit of money by referring other pet owners to this program, whatever it is, the affiliate program. So that's, hopefully this is helpful for you guys. But remember, this is what I wish I knew when I started. Is it easy? Is it simple? Yes. Is it easy? No. You have to have the commitment up here that you know it's going to work. You can't just dabble, right? If you're going to dabble, you probably won't make any money at all. If you make if you do, you make a tiny bit, and you won't be able to repeat yourself. What you want to do is you need to immerse yourself. You need to go, I'm committed. I'm going to do this no matter what. I don't care what friends and family say. I don't care what they're talking about me. Block them on social media. There was a time we didn't have social media where not everyone knew all your business, right? And you could do what you want to do. So just block them off that. If you're going to use social media, if you're going to use it for business, you probably don't want your friends on there. Create a separate friends profile and just have that as a completely private, separate friends profile, and then do your public profile as your business profile. Anyways, hopefully that helps you guys. So remember, don't follow all the gurus that are promising the moon. It takes work, but man, the rewards are huge. And what I want you to do is actually, I want you to check out the link below. I'm going to put a link down there, which I found is the best business. I've been following a guy that just made his $1 million sales. He's doing amazing. I'm following him, and he's basically sort of my guru. And I know it's taken years for him to get there, a few years to get there, but he's doing it, and I can see the process. It just takes a while. I'm also going to put a step-by-step blueprint for building a highly profitable online business. It's the hybrid system that you can basically have everything you need in one thing. But guys, you need to be a reseller there. So just so you know, don't just join it. Everything costs money, right? It's a business. It's going to cost you some money. But really, if you're spending $100, $200 a month, but you're making $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 a month, right? Well, that's just an offset of business. You pay for your phone, you pay for your internet, you have a car, you pay for your insurance, all that kind of stuff. It just costs money. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys. So that's what I wish I knew when I was starting out affiliate marketing. And hopefully, if you're a beginner, comment below saying, hey, I'm just getting started. Thank you for this advice. I appreciate it. And I will see you on the next one. Cheers.